Welcome back to my channel for a new video, and today I have a luxury unboxing for you. So I haven't filmed a sit down chatty video like this on my channel for ages, and it's not very often that I treat myself. So last week, just before Easter, was my birthday. Like this time last year I didn't really treat myself because we literally just got married, so obviously we was watching money and everything, but I thought this year I really want to just buy myself something nice for the new spring summer season. So one thing that I really needed was a new pair of summer sunnies. So I have mentioned in other videos that I had my eye on the Celine Triumph metal frame sunglasses. I'll pop a little image on so you can see what they look like. So I've been umming and ahhing about these glasses for ages, and I was gonna get them, but then I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like every man on his dog has those sunglasses now, and I absolutely love them, but I found that the metal side looks quite chunky. I haven't tried them on or anything. I kept going into store and they were always out of stock. So I was like, okay, I don't know, because they're around £400, just over full price. And I was just thinking, I don't want to spend that amount of money on a pair of sunglasses. And I've seen similar styles you can get on Amazon of those sunglasses. So I was having a little look around to see what I could get that was different from those. And I ended up spotting these ones. So I went on to a website called Blickers. My one tip for shopping for luxury sunglasses is to find the sunglass style that you like, copy and paste the name of it, the code, and then pop it into Google and just see what comes up, because there's so many shopping retailers which sell sunglasses. You've got Sunglass Hut, Sunglasses Shop, loads of them that do discounted ones. So of course it'll be full price on Selfridges or on the actual designer's website, but if you hunt around and spend a bit more time, then you'll actually find it for a lot cheaper. So I ended up going for a pair of Miu Miu sunglasses. So I saw these on Pinterest and I really loved how slim the side was, but also the detailing. I haven't seen many people with any glasses like these. That's why I wanted them, because I wanted something that looked a bit different from the Celine sunglasses. So I ended up ordering these from Blickers. So these retail at, I think, £321 on the Miu Miu website. I actually got them for £165 via Blickers. So they're a genuine website. I've had glasses from them before, and yeah, I was super chuffed when I found them. So the packaging is really lovely. So they come in this pink box. The sunglasses case as well is also velvet. So beautiful pink velvet. I had these in my handbag the other day. The only thing with velvet is that the cases mark easily. So I popped these in my handbag because it was sunny over the Easter weekend. I think my car keys just sort of scratched the box. So that's the only thing when you have a velvet case. But it also comes with the matching velvet little sleeve for the sunglasses. So beautiful packaging. You can see it's got Miu Miu just on the inside there. It's a really decent size case too. Just looks so nice. I just love the pink packaging. So I'll put the name of these on the screen or maybe in the description box. So I ended up going for these ones. So these are the Miu Miu cat eye round sunglasses. I love this gold detail. This is what sort of drew me to these sunglasses. When I originally saw them on Pinterest, I thought that they were Loewe, because I was like, that logo from far away looks like Loewe. So it's focusing on me. So from a picture, it really did look like that. But I ended up going for the brown lens. So they do them in a more black and gold frame. So these are the brown lens ones, but it's got more of a brass style frame, if that makes sense. So very subtle. I love to sort of wear, obviously, a lot of neutrals in the summer, but I just feel like a glass style like this colour just goes with so much more. And I love the tortoiseshell as well on the side. I tend to wear my Celine Triumph sunglasses a lot as well in the spring summer, and because of the tortoiseshell and the brown, it ties in really nice with tan accessories and with my handbags. So these are the glasses on. They literally look so cool. I'm so pleased with them, but I just love how slim the side is. It's just very dainty. Like I found with the Celines, they sort of like have a gold bit that come out quite a bit here. Like they're quite chunky on the edge, so they look very sort of like long and like, I don't know, visory, if that makes sense. So what I really liked about these is that they have the similar shape, so it has a little nose piece, but they are just a lot slimmer here, and I just love this detail. I think it makes them look just, yeah, so elegant. And they also do them as well in a rose gold frame with black lenses. So a little bit different, but I do recommend just having a little hunt around. I'm trying to see if it's got the model name on here. It normally has it on the inside, but I will put the details. You're not gonna be able to see that there. These are the SMU 52Y sunglasses in these are the brass with the brown lens. So super beautiful. I'm so chuffed that I got these for £165 when they retail at 321. So yeah, definitely have a little shop on Google and have a mooch around for luxury sunglasses. I know places like Sunglass, like Hut and Shop as well, normally do like 2 pairs for something as well, which is really good. So yeah, I'm honestly so chuffed with those. Then I have a new bag to share with you. So I feel like some of you might know what bag this is already because you would have seen it on my Instagram, but I did mention in one of my last videos, I think it was, what was on my wish list. So I've literally wanted this bag for the last 2 summers. I spotted it in Ibiza last year when we were on the cruise, and I went into the store, and it is cheaper as well. I think Loewe and like Spanish brands are a lot cheaper in Europe, so I wish that I got it there and then, but I think it was like the last day of the cruise, the last stop. It was all sort of a bit like we're quite busy. I didn't want to sort of like rush into it, but now I was like, it actually was quite a bit cheaper. I think because of the tax, like when you go to the airport, you can get the refund back on that. But then I think because it is in Spain or in Europe, it is cheaper. So yeah, I ended up ordering it in the UK. So I ordered it from Matches. They are currently in administration, which is super sad. So you can't do any refunds or exchanges, so you can't return anything. I've seen quite a lot of people like complaining, like, because obviously if you order in like luxury items, I saw someone the other day and they ordered like different like dresses for like a wedding and like a wedding guest, and now obviously when you are shopping online, like you order multiple and wanted to try them on and then return, and then they're stuck with those dresses, which I think is, yeah, because it's hard to, you can only sell so much on Vinted, and obviously you do take a massive, like you want your full money back if it's brand new. So with that being said, with Matches, they were doing a discount. So they had 20% off pretty much everything. So when I saw the code online, I was like, I wonder if it's going to be off like Loewe and all those other brands, because I find that Loewe is never ever discounted. Like it's really hard to get a discount on Loewe. And they also had the Celine sunglasses on there. So before I got those, I looked on there. They had the Celine sunnies. I tried the code and it worked off them. But I had 20% off them, but it still made them around, I think, £360, £380. I was just like, that for me is just, yeah, I just wasn't into paying that on a pair of sunglasses. And then I thought, I wonder what basket bags they have on there and if they've got them all dropped on there yet. And they did. So I added this one to my basket, which I'm so pleased and so chuffed with this bag. I've wanted it for so long. It's just going to go with so much in my wardrobe. So this is the Loewe small Ibiza bag in the square basket, and they also do it in white too. I absolutely love it. Like I literally wanted this so bad last year. So I have the Loewe medium white basket. I'll pop a little picture on. And I also have the small anagram bag in the black, which I'll pop another picture on there, because I just absolutely love Loewe for their bags. I have mentioned in my other videos that I don't tend to splurge or make luxury purchases very often. I'm not one for spending like thousands of pounds on designer handbag. It just doesn't interest me. I just think there's so many good premium high street brands out there like Demelier, Poli, and I say this all the time, Songmont, like, yeah, they stock such amazing bags, amazing quality, which is pretty much the same as the luxury without the luxury branding. So when it comes to the summer, Loewe basket bags are the ones that I'm going to splurge on because I wear them so much and they're just absolutely beautiful. I love the tan on this. The quality is just, absolutely, it's really, really sturdy as well. I'm going to order some of the inserts for them. So I'm not sure if you guys know, and I need to get another one for my other bag, but Etsy, I'm sure it's on an Etsy, do like inserts for these bags, because obviously with the inside they're completely open, so it's got the tissue paper and everything in there, but there's no like, yeah, it's just literally a basket bag. So Etsy do these little inserts that you can pop inside just to protect your belongings, but actually looks like part of the bag. So I'm gonna have a little hunt around and see if I can get one for this one. I just love the size of it too. You can loop it on your arm, but also the straps are adjustable at the back. So you can adjust the strap here to make it longer on this one. Also on the front too, so you can wear it on your shoulder. I know someone messaged me on Instagram to see whether you could wear it on your shoulder, but you can totally wear it without adjusted being on your shoulder. But I think if you just loosen it off by one, it'll just sit a little bit more comfortably. But yeah, when I saw that Matches had this in stock, I was like, I'm gonna try the discount code and see if I can get 20% off, and it worked. So this bag retails at $5.50, which I can't believe how much Loewe basket bags have gone up. I remember when I bought my first one, which was my white one, I bought it about, I think it was like 2, maybe 3 years ago. I bought it when I hit 100k on Instagram as a sort of like well done present. And that was not long after my birthday too. And I bought the medium size and it's about $3.75. And now their mini one is $3.75 and the medium is like $4.75, $500. So it's mad how much these bags have gone up. I think before these used to be $4.95 before the price increase, and they've gone up to $5.50 now. And then with the 20% discount, I ended up getting £110 off this bag, which is such a big discount off a classic style like this. I honestly didn't think they would have the discount off Loewe. Of course, it's super sad that they are in administration. I have actually ordered a few things off Matches. So yeah, super sad, but also very pleased that I got 20% off my beautiful Loewe basket bag. I think that would have been the rough price that I would have got it in Ibiza. So yeah, I'm honestly so super pleased. I'm looking forward to styling her in all my spring summer outfits. We are also going away next month, so yeah, I just think a new basket bag is just my favorite. I just love that they're bags, you can dress them up or dress them down. Like I've worn my other basket bag more casually. I could totally wear this as well in the evening time on holiday in the UK too. I just think with tan accessories, this bag is just gonna look, yeah, absolutely beautiful with all my outfits. So that's my little luxury unboxing. Like I said, I don't make luxury purchases very often, and when I do buy them, the things have been on my wish list for ages. Like I really think about designer purchase. I make sure that it's not sort of like an impulse or like a trend. I always go for classic styles as well. That's always me. I just think timeless classic bags, they never date, they come back every single year, and I think with Loewe basket bags they will come back time and time again. I think they're just the essential, like my favourite summer bag. Like I feel like as soon as my basket bags are back out of hibernation from the autumn winter, I'm like, yes, spring summer is here. I honestly just love getting them all out and styling them with my outfits. So yeah, I will link as many sort of links for you of the bag. I think the discount has finished on Matches now, but they have been doing like exclusive sales. It's been changing all the time over there, so maybe have a look if you're looking for something in particular but you don't want to return or exchange it. So I knew that I was never gonna return or exchange that bag, so I wanted it for so long. But if you're buying clothing on there, I would just be a bit careful, because obviously you can't return if the size isn't right. But yeah, I'll also link the Blickers website for my sunglasses. I haven't seen many other like luxury shops doing them. I haven't seen them on Selfridges. It's always been through like a sunglasses shop, obviously on Miu Miu as well. But Blickers have got so many designer brands on there. This isn't like sponsored or anything, by the way. I just found the website and I thought, oh my god, they've got so many good brands on there. So if you are a luxury lover like me when it comes to your accessories, then definitely have a little nose on there. So yeah, I hope you guys like my new luxury purchases and treats for my birthday. I'm very chuffed with them. I think it's just really nice to treat yourself every now and again. So yeah, as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.